Smart woodworking starts with reliable tools that balance accuracy, safety, and performance without overwhelming your budget. Best inexpensive table saws provide solid cutting power, compact designs, and dependable features ideal for home projects and small workshops on a tight budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Metabo 10-inch table saw. The Metabo 10-inch table saw is designed for users who prioritize clean, accurate cuts combined with job site convenience. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, this saw delivers a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM, providing the torque and blade speed needed to handle hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials with consistent precision. Its cutting performance feels controlled and confident, making it suitable for detailed woodworking as well as general construction tasks. The smooth power delivery helps reduce blade bog down, even when working through denser stock, resulting in cleaner edges and reduced material tear out. One of the standout advantages of this model is its user-friendly design. Portability is another area where the Metabo table saw excels. Weighing just 24 pounds, it is remarkably easy to carry between work areas or transport to job sites. The compact footprint also makes storage simple, even in smaller workshops or garages. Despite its lightweight build, the saw maintains solid stability during operation. Versatility rounds out the package, with a miter range of 0 to 52 degrees left and right, and an adjustable bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left. Adjustable bevel stops further enhance repeatable accuracy for common angles. Overall, the Metabo 10-inch table saw is a strong option for professionals and serious DIY users seeking portability, precision, and dependable cutting performance in a compact form. Number 2. DEWALT DWE7485 Table Saw. The DEWALT DWE7485 table saw is engineered for reliability, accuracy, and job site durability, making it a popular choice among contractors and dedicated DIYers. Its standout feature is the impressive 24.5-inch rip capacity, which allows users to rip full 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with confidence and control. This capability significantly expands the range of projects the saw can handle, from framing work to cabinetry and remodeling tasks. Despite its generous cutting capacity, the saw maintains a compact overall size, making transportation and storage straightforward. Onboard storage keeps essential accessories such as the blade guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge neatly organized and easily accessible. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows for tool-free adjustments, making safety setup quicker and less cumbersome. An added layer of protection comes from the power loss reset feature, which prevents accidental restarts after power interruptions. This enhances safety during busy workdays. Overall, the DEWALT DWE7485 table saw delivers a balanced combination of power, precision, and rugged construction. It is particularly well suited for users who need dependable performance, accurate ripping, and portability without sacrificing professional-grade build quality. Number 3. SKIL TS6308 Table Saw. The SKIL TS6308 table saw offers an excellent blend of cutting capacity, portability, and user-focused features, making it a strong contender for home workshops and job site use. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this corded table saw delivers ample power for a wide range of applications, including ripping plywood, cross-cutting framing lumber, and cutting dado joints. Its maximum cutting depth of 2.5 inches at 0 degrees allows users to cut up to 3x material in a single pass, improving efficiency on larger projects. The saw provides an expansive rip capacity of 24.5 inches to the right of the blade and 12 inches to the left, offering flexibility for handling plywood and other wide stock. Despite its capable cutting performance, the SKIL TS6308 maintains a compact and portable design. It is easy to transport between job sites and simple to store when not in use. The aluminum table contributes to accurate, high-quality cutting performance by providing a stable, flat surface that supports smooth material movement.
Overall, the SKIL TS6308 table saw is well suited for users seeking dependable power, precise fence control, and practical portability. It delivers solid performance for both DIY projects and light professional tasks without unnecessary complexity.
Number 4. Evolution R10 TS Table Saw. The Evolution R10 TS Table Saw stands out for its powerful motor and impressive multi-material cutting capability, making it a versatile tool for demanding users. Equipped with a high-torque 15-amp motor and soft start technology, this saw delivers smooth, controlled power while reducing initial motor strain. It is capable of cutting not only wood, but also mild steel, aluminum, and composite materials when used with the included premium 10-inch TCT blade. This versatility makes it especially appealing for workshops that handle mixed material projects. Cutting capacity is another strong point, with a generous 26-inch rip capacity that allows for efficient handling of large sheet materials, which features micro adjustments and tool-free blade alignment. This design minimizes fence movement and helps maintain consistent cutting results. Portability has not been overlooked, as the lightweight steel frame and integrated carry handles make transportation easy. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized, while the outfeed support bar adds stability when working with longer materials. Overall, the Evolution R10 TS table saw delivers power, precision, and material versatility in a job site-ready package, making it an excellent choice for users who require more than standard woodcutting performance. Number 5. MarvTool 4600 RPM Table Saw. The MarvTool 4600 RPM table saw is a compact yet capable option designed for users who need efficient cutting performance in a portable format. Driven by a powerful 15-amp motor, this saw reaches speeds of up to 4,600 RPM, providing sufficient cutting force for hardwoods, plywood, OSB boards, thin aluminum sheets, and even PVC pipes. The included 36-tooth blade contributes to clean, controlled cuts across a variety of materials, making the saw suitable for both workshop and light job site tasks. Despite its compact size, the saw offers adjustable cutting features that enhance versatility. Blade height and angle can be adjusted to accommodate 90-degree crosscuts and 0 to 45-degree miter cuts. It can cut boards up to 3.4 inches thick at 90 degrees and up to 2.1 inches at 45 degrees, providing flexibility for common cutting tasks. Safety is addressed through a transparent blade guard that allows clear visibility while helping protect against accidental contact and flying debris. A built-in dust port supports cleaner operation when connected to a vacuum. Overall, the MarvTool 4600 RPM table saw is a solid choice for users seeking a lightweight, adjustable, and safety-conscious table saw for general-purpose cutting needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.